Is SAIFI in power distribution really represent power reliability? SAIDI is defined as average outage seen by electricity consumer in a years. It is one of the basic reliability indices. Is it really reliability indices or power non-availability indices? I feel power reliability is different from availability. Reliability has a deep meaning considering the dependency of consumer and criticalness in day-to-day life. Let me explain my point by sharing following two examples. 1. Power is available but say voltage is distorted, phase unbalanced and very low. Many appliances may not work or work with low efficiency. How we should treat this power availability while computing reliability indices? I feel for power availability index one can consider but definitely not for reliability index. 2. A utility plant shut down and after taking consent and properly informing affected consumer, took a shutdown. Means no power during that period. Should we treat this as outage while computing reliability indices? What if police asked to switch off supply due to fire in area? Need to review reliability indices definition.